Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Welcome to Indian Express Entertainment. Today we are going live with Yash Raj. I know you all have been hearing this song from a couple of days, so we are going to chat with him and actually find out what it is about. Dialogues with beats, that's something that he's actually invented and created a storm. Hi Yash Raj.
Hi, Sana. How are you?
How are you doing?
I'm doing great from last week.
Yes, I'm sure. Tell me, I mean, how was it to actually wake up being a star suddenly after posting a video on
Sleep
Instagram?
only last. I uploaded the video, I think yesterday, the day before yesterday, the night before yesterday. And I haven't slept till now. I'm consistently getting calls from people. And just an hour ago, I got a call from Kokila Ben.
Tell me, Yash Raj, I mean, how did you actually come up with this idea? I was seeing a few videos you've already done. Of course, this actually just boomed to a different level. But what was the idea behind doing it?
Actually, I used to see these videos by Dub Sharma.
Right.
Amazing musician he is, and he used to do these. He used to take random sounds from YouTube videos and make a. He never took dialogues. He used to take the sounds and make a song out of that.
Right.
What I did was I just went for some dialogues and put it. I actually did this once before, I think 2-3 years ago, once when Uri the Surgical Strike came out.
Right.
And I just took a dialogue from that, the House the Josh dialogue.
House the Josh, yes.
And wrote a whole song on that. So that kind of went viral that time. I saw this, I was scrolling my Facebook and I saw this meme, some random page shared that. And the moment she starts speaking that, the first line ki kal meri this thing kal meri saadi par juice, it already has a rhythm to it. And I decided to put it on my software and I put some beats,
Right.
and I put some random chords and it started sounding very good.
Wow.
So I just compiled it and thoda fine tune kiya usko. And I just put it randomly. I didn't expect it to go anywhere.
Tell me, how important was that to actually get credited, because this has just blown superbly on
that
social
was
media.
my whole point. And that has happened before also. That is why I made sure that even if someone picks up the video, they'll have to sit down and edit my part and put their own thing in that. That's a lot of work. So I make sure that every 2-3 seconds I show my face. So even if it is taken, I'm good. Even if they cut my name, even if they don't give credits, my face is there.
So what was Kokila's take to you? What did she tell you?
Wow, she was so nice. She was kind. She was talking so nicely. I couldn't believe. First of all, she called me and she said, "Ganesh Chaturthi ki bahut sari shubhkamnaएं." I'm like, yes. कौन बोल रही है? मैं Kokila Ben बोल रही हूँ. I was. आपने कैसे call कर दिया मुझे? And she was so. She talked to me for like 10 minutes and she talked to me about कि अच्छा काम किया, मैं कल से इंटरव्यूज दे रही हूँ लोगों को और मैंने हर जगह आपका नाम लिया है और कभी आप आओगे मुंबई तो मुझे मिलना.
In music, we of course want to know more about you. I mean, you've suddenly become an overnight star, so we have to know more about you. Tell us something about yourself.
Okay, so I am I am into music from childhood. My father sings actually, and that's inherited music in me. So I just learned this craft and the software myself later. From YouTube and by practice and everything.
Right.
And that's it. I just practice for last, I don't know from when. I just come to the studio. I have a small setup here in Aurangabad. I'm from Aurangabad.
Right.
And I just practice songs. Now I do some freelancing. I'm doing a movie now. And it's been great.
You seem to be quite a fan of Salim Marchit. I saw a lot of posts.
I am a huge fan of Salim Marchit. Because he actually encouraged me to start composing. I once
Okay.
made I once made a a cappella video of his song from Chak De India, and that is how I got a
Right.
chance to meet him. I went to his studio and met him.
You mentioned how your followers kind of just doubled up in a day.
Yeah. 1 month ago, I was at 9,000, and I was struggling
Right.
to get that to 10,000 followers, because 10,000 ke baad you get that swipe up.
Swipe up.
feature and inside. I was struggling for that, and after a point, after my last video, it was 25,000. तो मुझे लगा
Right.
25,000 पे तो बहुत दिन चलेगा. Then I put this video, and अब तो I think it's close to 2 lakhs.
But tell me, which has been that one compliment that kind of just took you by surprise or just left you?
There were two actually.
Emotional.
One when Smriti Irani shared, no, she
Right.
didn't even share the video on a story. She put the video on her profile.
Oh wow!
Yeah, she reposted it. And other one was Anurag Kashyap. Like, I am a huge fan of Anurag Kashyap, and I once went to Mumbai just to meet him, but
Okay.
that didn't happen. And now he
Super.
shared, and he wrote that in the caption he wrote that it made his day. So I was like, "Arey, ये तो बढ़िया है."
So now, will you want to focus more on this? I mean, this comedy thing. Just
I don't know if people
Right.
are liking it. I'll try to make more. लेकिन अभी बहुत pressure है. I'll have to make very good. This I made essay. So
Yes.
I am working on a few things right now, and my ultimate goal is to make people hear my original music, my
Right.
original compositions which I make, and this gives me a lot of audience.
right.
So my original content will get, next time when I put something, this will help me there.
Right.
But this I'll keep doing because people are loving it, and I also enjoy it. It takes a very little amount of time,